Hi, good morning from the trail. I'm out hiking this morning and I want to share a super easy and important safety item to add to your pack, or if you're just beginning and not carrying a pack, something that's super inexpensive but really important to have as a safety item. So this was one of my first purchases early on, but it's this little guy. It is a whistle. It's tiny and mighty. And I've tested it, terrorized everyone in the house and the cats. Didn't see them for a bit. So it works. I don't know the decibels on it, and I should have looked that up. But I will find the link to this particular one that I got because I really am happy with it. It works really well. It comes in a 2-pack. I ordered it from Amazon. I don't remember, somewhere between $8 to $12. Super inexpensive. So I always wear the one on the front here, and then I have another one that is in with all of my paddleboarding supplies. So I keep that there, and later in the summer I'll maybe do a video sharing that. So reason for putting it on the front of the backpack is so that if you fall, God forbid, and you need help, you can use that whistle to, it takes minimal energy, a lot less energy than shouting or screaming, trying to get attention from people in the area. A whistle is a universal distress signal, especially if you use it with the SOS concept. So when you do that, I'm not going to do this because there's people around that don't want to think I need help, but you do 3 short blasts, just say SOS. Minimal effort, obviously. If you've been injured, that's valuable. And one of there's a lot of different ways it can be used, but this is just most important, and I'm just sharing the most basic. So the other really key important point here is if search and rescue is looking for you, let's say it's escalated to another level and you need help, and search and rescue is trying to find you, and let's say you've fallen, common hike, one of the most common hiking injuries, you can do 1 short blast to help them locate you. So as you can see, this tiny little guy can be really important. This is seriously so lightweight. I'd be surprised if it even weighs an ounce. So I love that. I'm all about lightweight. I was a mom to 3 kids. I've carried a lot of stuff in my years, and I kind of enjoy not carrying a lot. So for me, that's really important. Okay, check this out, you guys. Somebody just parachuted off of the Foothills Bridge. Wow. That was kind of cool to see and unexpected. Let's see if we can go over here and see him or her down here. Huh. I don't know where they're at down there. Kind of crazy. I don't know where they land when they jump. No, I've never seen this before. All right. Well, that's how you know we're live and in the wild. So it's always an adventure out here. One of the reasons I love it. So, all right. If you have whistle tips that you think are valuable and should be shared, I would love it if you drop them in the comments. And if you've enjoyed this video and want to learn more or contribute or celebrate your own first solo hikes, let me know. Drop it in the comments. And if you would like and subscribe, if you enjoyed this, I would so appreciate it. All right. Till the next video. I gotta climb up this hill. It doesn't look like a lot, but it's gonna kick my butt.